Structural formula of glucose shows that it contains 4 chiral carbon atom, and we know that chiral carbon atom are the carbon atom whose all 4 substituents are different. On the basis of very elaborate chemical evidence and measurement of optical activity of various chemicals involved, Emil Fischer, a German Nobel laureate, determined the configuration of 4 chiral carbon in glucose, that is carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4 and carbon 5. Glucose is an optically active compound and has a specific rotation equal to plus 52.7 degree. Due to its dextrorotation, glucose is also called dextrose. The designation plus sign glucose or D-glucose imply the dextro nature of glucose. D-glucose is another designation of glucose which is more common. This designation indicates the configuration of glucose rather than the sign of its optical rotation. Next is DL configuration system. The prefix D or L in the name of compound indicates the relative configuration of stereoisomer. It refers to a particular enantiomer of glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde has one chiral carbon, that is C2, and exists as 2 enantiomer. Conventionally, plus glyceraldehyde is represented by Fischer projection formula having OH group, that is hydroxyl group, attached to C2 carbon on the right side, and this configuration is denoted by symbol capital D. Similar configuration of minus glyceraldehyde is denoted by symbol L. A monosaccharide is assigned DL configuration on the basis of configuration of the lowest chiral carbon in Fischer projection formula. On the basis of chemical evidence, stereostructure of D-glucose was represented by Fischer projection formula. Glucose, however, was not found to exhibit some more chemical properties which could not be explained on the basis of the structure. It was necessary to write another structure of glucose which will explain all the properties. Ring structure of glucose fulfills this requirement. Glucose is found to have 2 cyclic structure which are in equilibrium with each other through open chain structure in aqueous solution. The ring structure of glucose is found by the reaction between formyl group, that is CHO group, and alcoholic group, that is OH group, at C5 carbon atom. Thus, the ring structure is a hemiacetal structure. The 2 ring structure are called alpha and beta anomer of glucose, and C1 is called anomeric carbon. The ring of the cyclic structure of glucose contains 5 carbon and 1 oxygen. Thus, it is a 6-membered ring. It is called pyranose structure. Hence, glucose is also called as glucopyranose. The pyranose ring is considered to be in perpendicular plane with respect to the plane of paper. The lower side of the ring is called alpha side and the upper side is the beta side. The alpha anomer has anomeric hydroxyl group OH group at C1 on the alpha side, whereas the beta anomer has the anomeric hydroxyl group at C1 on beta side. The group which appears on the right side in the projection formula, that is Fischer projection formula, appears on the alpha side in the Howard formula and vice versa. Hemiacetal group of glucopyranose structure is a potential aldehyde group. It imparts reducing property to glucose. Thus, glucose give positive Tollens test and positive Felling's test. Fructose is a levorotatory ketohexose. It is also called levulose due to its levorotation. Being an alpha hydroxy keto compound, fructose is a reducing sugar. In free state, it exists as a mixture of fructopyranose and fructofuranose. In combined state, fructose is found in the form of fructofuranose ring. The ring structure of fructose is hemiketal. Next is disaccharides. Disaccharides give rise to two units of same or different monosaccharides on hydrolysis with dilute acid or specific enzymes. Here, two monosaccharide units are linked together by ether oxide linkage, which is termed as glycosidic linkage in carbohydrate chemistry. Three most common disaccharides are sucrose, maltose, and lactose. Sucrose is dextrorotatory. On hydrolysis with dilute acid or an enzyme called invertase, sucrose gives equimolar mixture of D-glucose and D-fructose. The structure of sucrose contains glycosidic linkage between C1 of alpha glucose and C2 of beta glucose. Since the potential aldehyde and ketone group of both the monosaccharide units are involved in the formation of glycosidic bond, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Next is maltose. Maltose is a disaccharide made up of two units of D-glucose. The glycosidic bond in maltose is formed between C1 of one glucose ring and C4 of other. The glucose ring, which uses its hydroxyl group at C1, is alpha glucopyranose, hence the linkage is called alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage. The hemiacetal group at C1 of second ring is not involved in the glycosidic linkage, hence maltose is a reducing sugar. Next is lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide present in milk. It is formed from two monosaccharide units, namely D-glucose and D-galactose. The glycosidic linkage is formed between C1 of beta D-galactose and C4 of glucose. Therefore, the linkage in lactose is called beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. The hemiacetal group at C1 of the glucose unit is not involved in glycosidic linkage but is free. Hence, lactose is a reducing sugar.